50.
Okay.
Depends from where you are. You're inside the city, then it's 50, and outside 100.
Okay.
New street, new roads. We want to go straight ahead.
Okay.
And go. Now pay attention. Disappear, then you can go. Yeah. Wait for the car or disappear. Or
Okay.
disappear, then you can go. Not earlier. So dangerous curve. You have to close on the right a little bit. A little bit more distance on the right. It's not easy to drive the right lines, not the right curves. No? I see that it's a little bit tricky for you and stressful for you a little bit. So 30. Follow this. Look, no fear. No fear. Give not the reason for this. It's place enough for both. So, and go. You have a preference. Single priority and go. Go, go. You have a single priority.
Yeah.
No fear. So it is finish and go. Now you can drive 50. So left is factory entry. We have to go right and then left, and now turn left, 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 and stop. Come 21, 22, and then go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also in the case nobody there, you have to stop. You have
Okay.
to stop. Yeah. Go please. Come on. Yeah. Also in the case nobody there.